What's going on, YouTube? A question I get a lot is, my calves are tight. How do I roll them? How do I make them feel better? So with you guys using your calves, you guys are using them every single day. Every time you take a step, they're getting worked. So because of that, we get a lot of tightness that goes on in there. The first thing you guys want to be doing is you want to be stretching. Make sure you guys are putting through the full range of motion when you guys are working out. But a big part of it is just doing tissue work. So we're going to show you how to do that with the foam roller. So with the foam roller, how I'm gonna have you guys do is you guys can stay seated with it. You guys are gonna kind of have 4 different spots. It's gonna be like 1, 2, one's like right by your guys' shoe. Then you come up just a little bit right before the calf starts is gonna be number 2. Then you're gonna have 3, which is like the bulk of the meaty section. And then number 4 is right before your guys' knee. And so all you guys are gonna do is you guys are gonna come, you're gonna put your foot on the ground and on the foam roller, and then you guys are gonna come cross that leg, and then you guys are gonna just switch back and forth. Now you guys will probably find spots that are nice and tight. When you do find that spot, just sit on it, kind of let it sink into it, and then you guys can kind of move on from it. But again, you're gonna start at just level 1, and then once you get done there, you slide up, go into that level 2, right where that calf begins. Again, spend some time on it. Then you guys will work into that level 3, which this is where it gets real on a lot of people. And a lot of times they think it's in that meaty section, which it is, but it's actually on the inner or the outer. So that's why it's important for you guys to kind of twist when you guys are doing this to find the spot that's hurting, and then also coming all the way up to that top, which can be right above the attachment point, or right below the attachment point. So that's where a lot of it's going to be all through on the outer side or the inner part of your calf. So we're going to just work it through that range of motion. Once you guys get done, you guys again will cross it and then go on to the other leg. Make sure you guys are spending plenty of time. So again, if you find a spot that finds a little pain, like right there, sit on it for about 30 seconds and just kind of move, work into it, let it kind of release. And then once you finally feel it release, then you guys can roll down it. Now, to make it a little more intense, if that's not feeling hard enough, you guys can always just come to the end. You guys can just go one leg, and then you guys can cross it and do the exact same thing. And you guys can work it through there, again, working the different levels, and then just going in and out on the calf. Now, when you do find a spot that hurts, you want to make sure you guys put that foot through the range of motion, because what that's going to do is shorten and lengthen the muscle. So that's what's going to be nice and tight. And you guys are going to kind of break up everything that's knotted up in there. It'll be here, and we're just trying to release it. So I want you guys to find that spot that hurts. Once you find that spot that hurts, just sit on it, and then again, put that foot through its range of motion, putting the ankle up and down. One other thing that can help, especially with the ankle joint, and then also just with your guys' calves, you guys can also come up where you guys are going to lean on to the foam roller. You guys are going to come just like right below your guys' knees and then right about your ankles. And you guys can kind of lean in and out on it. You guys don't have any muscle right here on the shin bone, but on the outer part of your guys' leg, you do have muscles that will cause tightness. So again, you guys can come here and lean to side as you guys would like with that. So that's gonna help you guys release your guys' calf. If you guys have any questions, please comment down below, and I appreciate you guys watching. I'll see you on the next one.